How to solve can't install Facebook Messenger from Play Store. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to head towards Settings on your phone. Once it gets completely loaded, scroll down, tap Apps, choose App Management, and search for Facebook app. Open it. Now tap on Install button and select OK to completely uninstall Facebook. Now head towards your Play Store. Search for Facebook Messenger application using the search icon and tap Install button. And your Messenger application will get started to install. If this did not resolve your issue, you can simply go ahead and tap and hold Play Store. Select I button. From this app info section of Play Store, select storage uses and tap Clear Cache. Once you have done that, you will successfully install Facebook Messenger from Play Store. Ensure that you have stable internet connection. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.